What's the weather like today?
It's overcast and muggy. What's the weather like today?
It's hot and humid. It's beginning to rain.
Oh no! I left the car windows open. It's beginning to rain.
We should bring everything inside. Where do you want to live in the future?
I'd like to live in a big house in the countryside. Where do you want to live in the future?
I'd like to live in a cozy apartment in the city. Did you lock the door?
Yes, I did. Did you lock the door?
We'll only be gone 5 minutes. How do I connect my phone to the car's speaker?
Use the Bluetooth. How do I connect my phone to the car's speaker?
Use the audio cable. How are you feeling today?
I'm feeling better, but still not 100%. How are you feeling today?
I'm feeling a million times better, thanks. What's the speed limit here?
It's 40 kilometers an hour. What's the speed limit here?
It's 100 kilometers an hour. Do you smoke?
I quit 3 years ago. Do you smoke?
I do, but only electronic cigarettes. Can I recycle this?
Yes, but rinse it first. Can I recycle this?
I'm not sure. Check the poster. Does the car need gas?
No, I filled it up yesterday. Does the car need gas?
Yes, it only has a quarter of a tank. Ooh, I'm tired.
You should sleep more. I'm tired.
You should drink some tea. Do you need a passport to fly domestically? I don't think so.
Do you need a passport to fly domestically?
Bring it just in case. Can you please sign here?
Of course. Can you please sign here?
Certainly. Would you like a bag for 5 cents?
No, thank you. Would you like a bag for 5 cents?
Yes, I'll take 2, please. Who's at the door?
I think it's just the wind. Who's at the door?
I think it's just the mail delivery person. I bought a tent and sleeping bag.
Oh, are you going camping? I bought a tent and sleeping bag.
Oh, what for? Hey, if I bake some cookies, will you eat some?
No thanks. I've eaten a lot today. Hey, if I bake some cookies, will you eat some?
Yeah, I'm always in the mood for cookies. Do you read?
Not so much, but I read the news. Do you read?
I do. I read 3 books a month. Have you been to Turkey?
I have. I've been a couple times actually. Have you been to Turkey?
I haven't, but I'd like to go. When did you visit Turkey?
I went last summer. When did you visit Turkey?
Oh, it was a few years ago now. This plant isn't looking very good recently.
You should water it more. This plant isn't looking very good recently.
You should move it out of the sun. Please take off your shoes when you come in.
Sure. Do you have slippers I could use? Please take off your shoes when you come in.
I'll just wait by the door. Oh no, we're going to be late.
We'd better take a taxi. Oh no, we're going to be late.
I'll call the restaurant and let them know. Sorry, could you check to see whether this is correct?
It looks good to me. Sorry, could you check to see whether this is correct?
It looks a little unnatural. Can you take some of my rice? It's too much for me.
I can't, sorry. I'm stuffed. Can you take some of my rice? It's too much for me.
Sure. Here, try some of my chicken. Have you called your mother today?
No, I spoke to her yesterday. Have you called your mother today?
Yes, I spoke to her this morning. Do you like honey?
It depends. I usually prefer sugar. Do you like honey?
If it's good quality honey, yeah.